Hi folks, I'm David Backholer and welcome to my channel. Now, if you're considering selling your property in the Portland area, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to share some essential tips and insights to help you navigate the Portland real estate market with confidence. So let's get started. So the first step to a successful sale is to prepare your property for the market. Now, presenting your home in its best light can significantly impact its selling price and how quickly it sells. The journey begins with decluttering and depersonalizing your space. Clearing out excessive belongings and personal items creates a blank canvas that allows buyers to envision themselves living there. Additionally, minor repairs and fresh coats of paint can go a long way in boosting your property's curb appeal and overall value. Now, some of the images you see on the screen are from one of my recent listings in Irvington, Northeast Portland. I was able to work with the homeowner to organize the painters to ensure it felt fresh and updated throughout. We also had professional stagers furnish the property to help show off the key features of the home. Now, one of the most critical decisions you'll make is setting the right price for your property. Overpricing it can deter potential buyers, while underpricing might lead to missed opportunities. Now, determining the right price for your property is a blend of art and science. Local market trends, comparable sales in your neighborhood, and the unique features of your home all play a role. The aim is to strike a balance between attracting potential buyers and maximizing your return. Now remember, an accurately priced property tends to generate much more interest in offers, often leading to a quicker sale. Now, the Portland real estate market is dynamic and every neighborhood is different, so staying informed about current trends that are hyper-local to your home are essential. This can include understanding the average days on the market, supply and demand ratios, and how seasonality can impact your selling strategies. Now, recognizing these trends empowers you to time your listing strategically and set realistic expectations for the selling process. Once your property is ready and priced competitively, it's time to market effectively. We'll explore the power of professional photography, virtual tours, and targeted online advertising. In addition, I'll share strategies to make your property stand out, including highlighting its unique features and the benefits of its location. So I have another listing in Irvington which went pending last week. Now, one of the unique and wonderful features of this home is that it backed onto Irving Park. So I really wanted to show off this feature in my online marketing. So at my expense, I hired a drone pilot and a professional photographer to take some exceptional aerial footage and created this stunning listing video for me. So when the offers come in, it's time to negotiate. But negotiation isn't just about price. It's also about understanding the terms, the contingencies, and fighting for a win-win that's going to work for all parties. I'll share strategies to confidently evaluate offers, navigate counter offers, and ultimately arrive at a deal that aligns with your goals. But again, I like to work collaboratively with you and ensure that you are informed and your needs are met throughout the entire process. Now, once an offer is accepted, the closing process begins. This involves inspections, appraisals, and navigating through any contingencies. Now, I'll provide insights into common pitfalls to avoid and how to ensure a smooth transition from contract to closing. And there you have it. Those are my essential tips to guide you through the selling process in the real estate market. Now, if you're ready to take the next step or have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out. Remember, I am a licensed realtor in the states of Oregon and Washington. If you found this video valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.